Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. Dow Chemical is making bold moves. The company plans to build a grid-scale advanced nuclear reactor at its manufacturing complex in Texas, with a goal of deployment in the early 2030s. This project aims to supply approximately 320 megawatts of electricity and eliminate about 500,000 metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions annually. Read more about the plan for replacing Dow's natural gas equipment in this write-up. A different nuclear site has become an unexpected sanctuary for the endangered American crocodile, due to the plant's cooling canal system and conservation efforts. The monitoring program at Florida Power and Light's Turkey Point Nuclear Generating Station has helped tag thousands of hatchlings that now represent a significant portion of the species. Head on over to our article about this thriving crop population. In unmanned aerial system news, Heathen Drones has launched its hydrogen-powered drone designed for security and defense. The Raider has a 50-pound payload capacity, vertical takeoff and landing, and 10 hours of flight time. Check out the next-generation drone's other features in our video. Meanwhile, an automotive lighting maker will establish a new mobility center in Michigan to serve North American customers. TYC Americas expects the facility to create nearly $19 million in capital investment and 109 jobs as the company onshores manufacturing from China and Taiwan. Learn about the project by reading this article. Finally, the U.S. military employs 3 primary self-propelled artillery systems for long-range strikes, rocket barrages, and precise artillery support. These systems provide the U.S. with significant advantages in mobility, accuracy, and firepower on the battlefield. Watch our video to see the systems on their own and used in combination. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.